The Food Service Exchange presents.
The lighting instructions, first thing we do, we make sure all our burners and our pilot light are off. We open up the roll dome, and then we put the propane tank on. All Crown Verity grills are capable of taking a standard 20-pound cylinder, either 1 or 2 cylinders. Our larger barbecues require 2. It's very simple to attach the tank to the tank bracket. Slide the tank down. We lift up the tank bracket, slide it down over the tank collar, and we tighten the wing nut. And your tank is secure. We take the hose and the regulator, attach it here. We're ready to go. We open up the propane tank valve. Now that we have the propane tank fastened and we have our propane valve turned on, again we check to make sure everything is off. Everything is off. We take our utility lighter, we put it into the port, and we turn our pilot light on. Pilot light's on. We turn our individual burners on. We're ready to cook.